Welcome, educators. Today we are unboxing Being a Reader, second edition expanded for grades K through 2. This program is meticulously crafted to integrate academic and social development, ensuring your youngest students grow into independent, confident readers. While we are featuring grade 1 materials today, we will highlight the exact variations you'll see if you are teaching kindergarten or grade 2. The cornerstone of your kit is the Implementation Handbook. It serves as your comprehensive roadmap, offering program overviews, planning resources, and assessment support. This is where you will find the detailed K2 scope and sequences, illustrating how instruction builds from letter identification in kindergarten to mastery of polysyllabic words in grade 2. Be sure to explore your Implementation Handbook to fully understand each component of the Being a Reader program in order to best support your students. Let's start with whole class instruction, which is organized into 8 or 9 units. In kindergarten, the focus is on oral language and print awareness using interactive big books. For grade 1, instruction shifts to explicit comprehension strategies through interactive read-alouds and strategy lessons with high-quality trade books. In grade 2, the program adds a robust word study strand, where students master complex decoding and morphology, supported by their own word study notebooks. Small group instruction in grades K through 2 focuses on foundational skills mastery and advanced comprehension strategies. For foundational growth, students are placed into differentiated small groups using sets 1 through 5. These sets use highly engaging decodable texts, where 80% of the words are decodable based on previously taught spelling sounds. While kindergarten typically covers sets 1 to 4, grade 1 focuses on sets 3 to 5, and grade 2 provides a comprehensive review of set 5 to ensure all students have mastered single-syllable phonics before moving to more complex texts. Once students master foundational skills, they transition to small group comprehension. Available in grades 1 and 2, these groups use high-quality trade books to teach advanced strategies like self-monitoring, analyzing text structure, and generating independent thinking. Additionally, these lessons include explicit syntax instruction to help students navigate increasingly complex language. For your English learner students, we provide the designated English language development component. Your digital-only manual provides daily 30-minute lessons designed to build into and from your whole class reading instruction. To maximize efficiency, these lessons use the exact same trade books your students are already discussing in class. Every student receives a print language notebook to support their oral language development and active participation. Being a Reader provides targeted, curriculum-embedded assessments that are both formative and summative. You will use individualized daily reading conferences to get to know your students as readers and vocabulary checks to monitor retention. At the end of each unit, the Student Progress Assessment provides a holistic view of each student's reading, vocabulary, and handwriting growth, ensuring you have the data needed to inform your next unit of instruction. The Learning Portal is where your instruction truly comes to life. For whole class reading, lessons have been transformed into a dynamic lesson flow. With one click, you can pop up student-facing content for the whole class to see, keeping your instruction seamless and focused. This organizes your teaching into a clear step-by-step layout and embeds all ancillary resources, like projectables, reproducibles, and instructional media, directly where you need them. Included with your Being a Reader program is a subscription to CCPAL. CCPAL is a student-facing application built to be a targeted practice engine directly aligned to the Being a Reader scope and sequence. It takes the guesswork out of independent practice, ensuring students are meaningfully applying what they just learned with you during small group and word study instruction. In grades K through 2, building a strong reading foundation requires massive amounts of repetition as students navigate phonics patterns and early decoding. CCPAL handles the logistical burden of providing a high volume of deliberate retrieval practice with responsive scaffolding. It builds the automaticity students need to master letter-sound relationships, blend fluidly, and gain confidence. By strengthening these early decoding skills, students clear the cognitive runway to focus on what matters most, making deep meaning from text. I hope this Being a Reader second edition expanded unboxing video was helpful. We are always here to help you as you begin your journey. Once you are on the Learning Portal, we are just a click away. We look forward to supporting you.